Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the exact components: a Kai receiver coil or pad, a 5V/2A USB power supply, basic soldering gear, and a phone with removable back or thin case. Once done, set up on a non-conductive surface and attach an ESD strap. Make sure static won't damage circuits. You then open the phone only if necessary, otherwise prep the case. Mark the phone's charging center so the coil aligns precisely. This step prevents misalignment and the common heat or inefficient charge problems. You now mount the coil inside the case or beneath the phone's back panel. Lay it flat over the battery while avoiding folds that damage the coil wires. Next, solder the coil leads to the receiver module. Use short, neat joints and insulate with heat shrink or tape. Once soldered, position the receiver near the charging port area and route the power cable out of the case with a small notch. Make sure to add strain relief. These careful steps make the connection reliable and reduce heat buildup. You finish by reassembling the phone or attaching the modified case. Check that wires aren't pinched and that glue or tape holds components firmly. Then test using a standard Kai wireless charger. Place the phone on the pad and expect the charging indicator within a few seconds. If the phone doesn't charge, make sure the coil is centered, inspect solder joints, confirm the receiver module's polarity, and verify the power supply provides stable 5V/2A. One quick troubleshooting tip: a multimeter across the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.